Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta, sending the video of Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 solution. First, we will discuss fill in the blanks. A presentation is a collection of dash that are arranged in sequential manner. Yes, answer is slide that are arranged in a sequential manner. Second is you can select different slide layout from the dash button. Answer is layout. Third is when a file is saved in PowerPoint, it creates dash extension. It is .pptx. Now fourth is the dash view display a miniature view of all slides in a presentation. This is slide sorter. Now the 5. In Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, the dash view is default presentation view. Normal view is the default presentation view. Now multiple choice question. Dash function key is used to display the slideshow. Answer is F5. In which view do you get the outline tab? Answer is normal view. Third is a dash like page in a presentation. Placeholder, slide or slide pane. This is slide. Now the fourth is a dash displays slide in a full screen mode. Slideshow, slide sorter, outline. It is slideshow. Now we will discuss value based question, application based question. The teacher has asked Shruti to create a presentation using pre-designed layout, background and color scheme. Which option will you suggest her to accomplish his task? I will suggest her to use themes. Second, Rupali has created a presentation with 16 slides. A teacher has asked her to display all slides on a single screen. Help her in selecting appropriate view. I help her to select slide sorter view. Now answer in one word or sentence. How many types of views are available in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010? Then 5 views are available in Microsoft PowerPoint 10. Name as normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view, slideshow view. Now the second question, which option is used to present data information visually in form of graphics like pyramid, charts, etc.? Answer is Smart Art option. Name the option that is used to create additional notes for current slide. It is Note Page View. And the next question, which feature of Microsoft creates a sample slide show containing various themes and layout? It is View in Template or Template. Answer the following. What do you understand by the PowerPoint? Explain its feature. Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful communicable tools used in present our views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is widely used in business work and also in school to teach different topics. This helps in providing a better understanding of the subject. Now the second question, how is the slide different from a presentation? A presentation is a collection of slides, while slides is a single page of PowerPoint presentation. Now third is define the term placeholder. Placeholder the boxes with dotted or hashed marked border that are part of most of slides layout. These boxes hold titles, body text and object such as chart, tables, pictures, etc. Now the question number 4. These are the questions. Now I am going to discuss question number 4. First is define theme. What does it include? Themes are set of pre-designed format and that include text, layout, background, that color scheme which can be applied to any presentation. Now the question number 5, which option enable you to change background color of the slide? Click on the background style button to change the background color of the slide. This option is present in background group on the design tab. A list of option will be displayed. Now the next and last question. What is the use of slide sorter view? Slide sorter view displays a miniature view of all the slides in a presentation. In this view, we can change the order of the slide, insert or delete, and slide add, transition, and set timing for the slide show. Now this is the activity section. Identify the names of format taken from the slide layout. And then you have to frame the question bank in your computer copy. Thank you.